Hi guys, welcome to Honest, Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. Guys, today we are looking at the Beats Solo Pro. Let's get into the pros first. Fast fuel charging, I really love that. 10 minutes, 3 hours. Great in noise cancelling, really impressive. Bluetooth 5, I love that. Love seeing that. H1 chip makes taking calls really easily using Siri. Great battery life. Love the buttons. I hate touch buttons. Love how folding them turns them off. You don't need to turn them off and on. Design feels firm and steady. Sound is great, clean and crisp, although the bass misses out a little bit. Hands-free Siri, great range of colors. You have really good choices there. Cons: mic is useless for calls. Expensive, nearly $500. Would have been great if it sensed when you took them off to pause the music. Doesn't have that. Lightning port only with no 3.5 jack. Isn't very comfortable, but that's a given with on-ear headphones. No headphone cables included if you want to wire it to your phone. Verdict time. Should I buy them? Yes, if you want something that is smaller than the full-size overhead headphones and has noise cancelling. I would give them a miss personally, as the class of headphones aren't for me. What I mean by that is in-ear headphones such as the AirPods Pro are great for people who want convenience and versatility. Over-the-ear headphones are great for people that want comfort, great sound and best noise cancelling. This doesn't do any of those. I would give them a miss for those reasons and the price. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.